Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 on Windows 11 operating system. VMware Workstation is a virtualization software that lets you run multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux or Ubuntu on a single physical computer at the same time. So I'll show you the step-by-step process how to download and then install it. First, you will open the Google search bar and type download VMware and go to this official website, and then afterwards just follow the steps, click download now, and then this will take you to this website broadcom.com, and you just need to follow the steps. You need to create an account first. You have to first register and create account by providing some information. I already have an account, I have already created it, so I will provide my username and the password. So this is my username, and the password I'm going to provide over here, and just let me just quickly do it, and I will sign in, and no thanks. After that, I will quickly go in my downloads. I will go over here in my downloads, and then I will just wait, click over here, free downloads, and then afterwards I will just go over here, I will go down, and I will click VMware Workstation Pro. After that, from here onwards, what I need to do is I will select this version, which is the latest version as of now, VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows. I will click this, and then I will click this, and then after that I will just follow the process. I will wait, and then I will download. I will download, and I just need to wait. Look, the download process has been started. I just need to wait. I already have the downloaded file because I've already downloaded this before. So I'm going to cancel the process from here, and I will click VMware Workstation, and I will just follow the process, and I will just wait. Click yes. Look, VMware Workstation Pro 25H2, and just wait. Click next. I accept the terms and condition. Click next. Click next. This is where it will be installed in my C directory. I will click next, and no, no. Click next, and install. And I will just wait until the installation process is done. Just wait. So VMware Workstation has been installed. Now I will click finish. Now let me just open the VMware Workstation, and there you go. Let me just open it, and look, it has been installed. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.